In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Payment Gateway Stripe and PayPal to your Hostinger Horizons web app. If you want to start accepting payments through your web app, Hostinger makes the setup process very straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go inside your account and how to connect the payment methods you want to use, including Stripe, PayPal, and even a manual payment option if that fits your business. To begin, log into your Hostinger account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the Websites section. This is where you'll find the sites and store-related tools connected to your account. Click on Website to access the project you want to work with. After that, find the option called Manage Store and open it. This area contains the settings for the e-commerce side of your web app, including products, orders, and payment setup. If you're planning to sell anything through your Hostinger Horizons app, this is the section you'll be using most often. Next, click on Settings. This is where Hostinger keeps the main store configuration options. Inside Settings, look for the Payments section and click on it. This is the key area for connecting your payment gateways and deciding how customers will pay you. Once you're in Payments, you can simply connect the payment method you prefer. If you want to use Stripe, select Stripe and follow the connection process shown on screen. This usually involves linking your Stripe account so payments can be processed securely. If you'd rather use PayPal, choose PayPal and connect it the same way through the available setup option. You may also notice an option to add manual payment. This can be useful if you want to accept payments outside of automatic online checkout, such as bank transfer, cash on delivery, or another offline method supported by your business. Just choose that option if needed and complete the setup based on your preference. As you connect your payment methods, make sure everything matches the payment solution you actually want your customers to use. It's a good idea to review the settings carefully so your checkout experience stays smooth and professional. And that's it. Once your preferred payment method is connected in the Payments section, your Hostinger Horizons web app will be much closer to being ready to accept customer payments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.